In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your table borders on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select your table and then select the Table Design tab at the top. And then there should be something that says Borders here. Click the drop down and you can select where you want the borders to appear on the table itself. You may have to highlight the whole table, so tap Control-A on your keyboard. And then you can select where you want the borders to apply. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.